papers, just giving a quick how to adjust your rear brake pedal on a Targa 900. Been meaning to do this for a while, so I thought I'll show you how. Sounds nice. So obviously first thing first, take the cover off, heel guard. Undo the bottom bolt on. And then there's a bolt under here. So I'm turning clockwise to adjust it downwards. There you go. Just gonna get on and try that. A little bit further down. One. So run it clockwise for downwards and anti-clockwise for upwards. Better. And now, obviously, tighten everything back up, holding the top bolt into place so that it doesn't move back. Nice and tight. Now I think the rear brake light is activated by the switch there, so I'm not sure if it this is going to affect it. No, we're good. On the old Targa 800 you had to I can't remember exactly, but I remember you had to adjust the switch. But yeah, no, that's all good. It's not on permanent, and the rear brake pedal's working. Turn her off. Tighten that back up. Make sure the dust guard is in place. Covering that bolt. And now, heel guard back on. Just a little bit of copper grease, and now I can't get it in the hole. Never good. Okay. There you go. Job done. Brake pedal adjusted. Cheers, V-Riders. See you on the next one.